American submarines are state-of-the-art, the weapon of weapons throughout the Cold War. But mistakes at the cutting edge are deadly.
Well, most people don't realize how truly dangerous the deep sea is. It's waiting there for you to make a mistake. When you make a deep dive, you can feel squeaks and moans. You can see things start to pop, water starts to come out. I mean, you're right on the edge, and if you make the slightest mistake when at the edge, it'll kill you.
That was made painfully clear in 1963.
The Navy's newest nuclear submarine, the Thresher, is launched at Portsmouth Naval Shipyard. The 278-foot craft is the first of a new class of attack subs designed to operate deeper and more silently than previous undersea craft. The Thresher will have a crew...
Thresher was the best of the best. It was this incredible piece of machinery that we put to sea, the first of a whole new class of submarines that were going to be super quiet and give us an enormous advantage over our communist foe.
April 9th, 1963, Thresher heads to sea. Early the next morning, she begins a deep dive.
It was near Corsair Canyon that they decided to make their dive. And they had a ship above, the Skylark. They had an ASR. Now they call them rescue ships, but certainly not for nuclear submarines. But it was able to have a line of communication, so there was a dialogue going on.
Everything goes smoothly until 9:13 a.m. That's when Skylark gets the first hint of a problem down below. Thresher reports experiencing minor difficulties. Have positive up angle. Am attempting to blow. We'll keep you informed. 3 minutes later, there's a second transmission, garbled and unintelligible. It's followed by a low-frequency rumble. Then, silence. Finally, after 6 months of searching, Trieste discovers what's left of the Thresher. The sub imploded with such force, nothing remains but scrap metal. Meanwhile, a Navy Court of Inquiry is making discoveries of its own. Thresher's maintenance records show that 14% of the joints in the piping that moves high-pressure seawater through the boat had failed ultrasonic inspection. Hundreds of other joints had never been tested, even though pipe joints of this type on other subs had failed, causing serious flooding. At the depth Thresher was at when she was lost, failure in a 6-inch pipe would dump 100,000 pounds of water per minute into the ship. As Thresher sinks below 1,500 feet, her hull can no longer withstand the crushing pressure of the sea.
Once you go below crush depth, which isn't far away, then Mother Nature does it. Pressure just, crushes that submarine. Goes off like a bomb.
A 129 men, casualties of the Cold War. The Navy Court of Inquiry concludes that in trying to rush Thresher's exciting new technologies to sea, the Navy made mistakes in design and construction.